Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Ido from Fixing WP is here, and in today's video I will show you how to create a drop-down list with Elementor. We're also going to learn how to scroll to the selected option or how to hide all the sections and only display the selected option. Alright guys, so I created this page specifically for this tutorial just to show you how to create a drop-down list with Elementor. Alright, so let's say we would like to create a drop-down list with the best 5 supercars. Okay, so I created a simple code for you. It's something that we will need to do with HTML block because Elementor doesn't have a native widget for a drop-down list. So we'll look for the HTML block and we'll drag it here just below the top 5 supercars title, right? And here we'll need to paste our HTML code. Now I created the code for you. It's very simple. I will walk you through. This label is just for the drop-down list and it says choose a supercar, and here are the different options we can choose from. We have 6 options, but the first one it's actually a blank option just to inform them that they need to select one from the list. Obviously, what you will need to change if you don't create a list of supercars, it's the label and the ID, okay? Because it says car select and those two need to match each other, right? So let's say if you do recipes, you change this one and that one to recipes, or any other keyword that represent the drop-down list. Okay, but of course, because we're selecting a car, I called it car select. So let's copy that. We'll go back to our WordPress website and we will paste it over here. And we can see that we have a nice drop-down list. Okay, and we can select, we can publish it and visit our live website, and we'll see it over here, as you can see. Now, I already created a section for each car, right? I just hid it, so let me bring them back because I would like to show you some cool tricks we can do with this list. Okay, let's start by choosing an option and then it will scroll us down to the relative section. Okay, so if we go to our page, we'll click on McLaren and it will scroll us down to the McLaren. Now everything here I built with the native Elementor widgets. As you can see, container, heading, image, and text editor. So that was the only hard-coded element that we needed. So let's see how it works. We'll go back to our codes. I will leave you the link in the description box down below. And we will copy this code. We'll go to Elementor, custom codes, and create new code. We'll call it scroll to selected option, right? And we'll paste the code here. Now pay attention guys, that car select, right, again need to match these items, these 2 labels. Okay, so whatever you wrote here, make sure to adjust and replace car select with the same value over here. Okay, then click on publish, choose where you want to trigger it. We did the whole website, and now when we'll scroll up, we'll refresh the page, we'll make a selection, and it will take us to the relevant section, just like so. Perfect. Now another cool thing that we can do, is hide all of them, right, and only show the selected element. Okay, we can do that also with JavaScript and HTML. Our JavaScript for this one is gonna be just a little bit different. So let's copy it from here. Again, I will leave you the links in the description box down below. So the first thing we are going to do is hide all the sections that have a class of car section. Okay, you will need to change it to any other class that you would like, but let's copy it for now. We'll go to our Elementor editor and we'll go to each of the sections and we will paste the car section inside the CSS classes. Okay, over here, And over here, as you can see, I already did that. So I don't need to do it again. I'm just showing you that you need to do it to each and every one of them. Now, another thing that you need to do is you need to assign each section, each option to the section. And how you do that? With values, okay? So we set this value of the Bugatti Chiron to be Bugatti, and you can see the value here. Okay, so the ID of the Bugatti section need to match the value attribute. So we'll go to the Bugatti and we'll give it CSS ID of Bugatti. We'll go back to the list and etc. We'll copy the Ferrari value. We'll go to the Ferrari and we'll paste the ID over here just above the class, the car section. And as you can see, I already did that. Once done, you can click on publish, go back to your website, refresh the page, and you don't see the sections anymore. However, when you make a selection, it will show you the relevant section, just like so. Alright guys, so that was our tutorial for today. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'm sure you can use it and implement it on your own website. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, I know it was maybe a bit complicated for some, so definitely reach out to us. Or if you need any other custom development for your WordPress website, we are specializing in WordPress. Reach out to us, fixingwp.com. Please also like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel because there are more great videos on the way. And I will see you all in the next video.